Do you want to add a fade in and fade out effect to your videos in the CapCut editing app? If so, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through adding these effects in just a few easy steps, so be sure to watch until the end. First, let's open CapCut on your device and import your video. I have a beautiful sunset video here, and I'll include a link to it in the description. To add the fade in effect, select your video in the timeline, then tap the animation button right here. Ensure that the in option is selected and choose the fade in animation. You can adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the slider at the bottom, and then simply click Done. Next, we'll do the same for the fade out effect. Select the clip, go to Animation, then tap on Out. Drag the slider to set the duration. And there you have it. We've successfully added the fade in and fade out animations in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.